How you like to see your place? Nice, huh? I just want to show you, look how much snow. Holy moly. If you get any kind of idea of this, I'm 6 foot and this is that high. I don't know if you can see it. We don't have cactuses here, but hey, that kind of shows you how high the snow is. This is a nor'easter. This is Nova Scotia, Canada, and we just had a nor'easter on February the 16th. This is the second storm, the second nor'easter. Wow, they really pop a lot of snow. We've got, look, I'm standing, I don't know if I can't show it, but anyway, there's a cactus. You can get the idea of how high this is. There's the building.